Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. It's February 16th. Ice is melting, the snow is melting. And I'm doing another, here, I'll just stand up, another MyKuali video. And they sent me this nice apron, but it doesn't show up because it's behind the horizon. I think the thing that works best is hats. Use the Ramen. Totally would love to sport a MyKuali hat. Big time. This is the classic. It's really not that old, but it's just legend. Penang white curry noodle. So, in 2013, I came up with, gosh, I want to say maybe my second top 10 spicy list. Maybe my third. It was a long time ago. And Malaysia was number 7 on that list with this stuff. And it blew up big. Because of that, and I love this stuff too. That year, I'm gonna go with it was 2014 that this stuff was number 1 on the top 10 list of like the regular top 10 of flavors. But they've changed the recipe sometimes, and a lot of the times that's because they want to. Because a lot of companies really like to keep improving and stuff. That's a big hallmark of Penang cuisine. But there's also things called sourcing issues. So like if there's a particular thing that you used in your product, some kind of seasoning blend or who knows. Well, if you can't get it anymore, you can't get it anymore. So I think that might have happened. I don't know, but it's good stuff. It's really good stuff. And yeah, I like it. So take a look at this. Can you see that? So our power went off last night. And oddly enough, it went off the night before too. At roughly the same time, because right now it's what? It's like 12:30. But it's blinking 12:25. So power went out like around 12:05 a.m. Well, I posted about it. I've got the power in years gone past has gone out so many times here in Kenmore, Washington that it was necessary to make a Facebook group called Kenmore Power Outages. And, oh, I can't forget to do this. And, yeah, got like half dozen people. Now people are calling the power company, so getting proactive on it. So hopefully I'll know what happened at some point and be able to share it. But now we are now on number 180. Anybody can criticize others. The true business person is he who can roll up his sleeves and forge work on his own. This is Momofuku Ando Speaks, a collection of quotes from the guy who invented the instant noodle. This is like, if you work at Nissan Foods, you get one of these. At least I think you do. I've got the English one, not the Japanese one. Because if I had the Japanese one, I'd be like, man, I wish I knew what this said. So yeah. Oh, Valentine's cake. Guess what happened to Valentine's Day? I get up, I'm like, sweet, I got presents for everybody. I'm all jazzed, I'm ready to go. Come out here, go to do something. I can't remember what I was going to look at. And my hard drive was toast. My D drive was like not showing up. I take it out, I look at it, I plug it in, It won't spin up. I've got caddies, like little trays. You can hot swap them on the top of the machine. It's kind of cool. Put it in one of those, doesn't work. Take the one that was in the hot swap tray, put it down, put it in the same cables that was in. Nope, that doesn't work either. So I'm like, and after a little bit, I'm like, well, I just come to the conclusion, I guess this thing's hosed. Well, I threw it in the trash, ordered a new one, got a 4 terabyte Seagate Barracuda for like $88 off of Amazon, which is not bad. And then it dawns on me, hey, maybe it's under warranty. So I fish it out of the trash, clean it off a bit. Not under warranty anymore. So I'm like, well, what the heck? I'll give it one more try, right? Spins up. Oh, look. Data's coming off. I backed that sucker up immediately. Still working. I kept the new hard drive. It just showed up last night. Me and the kids installed it today. And the other thing coming today is the new printer that has a scanner that's 11 by 17. So it looks as though there used to be 2 dry sachets and now there's only one. One was non-dairy creamer and one was the seasoning. As you can see here, this definitely looks like it's probably just both put together. So let's stir that in. Get that nice milky look to it. Now we're going to do gonna put the paste in, and this is where it gets epic. I got to see them make this paste when I went and visited them. And wow. Imagine just like a big seething cauldron that you pretty much have to stir with a boat oar. That's not what they use, but yeah, just amazing stuff. I tell ya, Penang, I miss you. God, Canada, I miss you. You're right there. But as Miles likes to remind me, Canada is closed, Papa. Canada is closed. Alright, let's give this a stir. Ooh, what am I getting out of this one? I'm getting some interesting scent out of this. What the? I'm confused. Smells completely different. It smells kinda... I don't... Interesting. All right. We shall see. First off, the noodle. I've always been an absolute devotee of the noodle that they use in this. It's always nice and plump. Groovy stuff. Oh, wow. They have really changed the recipe on this. Like, really changed it. Not much heat anymore. Definitely not nowhere near that top 10 spicy the first one was. Look at that. That's some thick stuff right there. Wow. Okay, there's some heat. A lot of cumin, I think. It also reminds me of, strangely enough, this is reminiscent for me of budai chigai, and I don't know why, but it's almost got this hot dogginess to it. That's like, what? I am very confused, but I like it. I like this stuff. This is good, but it's like, I need more info. Hell, what's going on here? This is not what I expected. But I'm gonna use this bowl. This is the bowl that I used for the first time I ever tried or ever made white curry, I believe. I'm liking this. Wow. Okay, I'll show you. That works. Alright, so let's groovy this out. These are fish and shrimp ball. They're made by a company called Dodo. And they are Dodo Bomb Bomb. Super, super good. These are Singaporean, but they're my favorite fish ball. If you know a better fish ball, let me know. I am all about fish ball. This is tofu puff, also known as tau pak or tofu pak. It's fried tofu, or it's like tofu. It's like puffed tofu. And I always like to get it like a little bit brothy, because that's really what it's for. It's a nice texture addition. And then something I really brought home with me from Malaysia is the mung bean sprout. Not every culture in Southeast Asia uses mung bean sprouts, but they should. I love mung bean sprouts. These things are like so good. Nice and crunchy. Here in the States, you think like something crunchy, you're gonna look at like water chestnut, and they use water chestnut here an awful lot, but not as much of the mung bean sprout. I don't know why. There's some like fear of mung bean sprouts here, I have to mention as well. People are worried like, oh, well, those things, you can get sick from those. It's like, I'm sure you can. I mean, they've got a really short shelf life. So if you start using mung bean sprouts that are bad, yeah, they could go bad. But so just don't do that. It's pretty easy to tell. My rule of thumb is if the bag is, today's the 15th. If the bag says the 14th, no way. Today's the 15th. If the bag says the 15th, no way. they really go bad really quick. So that's why if you have them, use them. But if you go to the store and get, oh good, I got mung bean sprouts that expire tomorrow. It's like, oh dude, they expire today. I'm telling you right now. But this brand is Salad Cosmo, and they're my favorite mung bean sprouts ever. In fact, I love these mung bean sprouts so much that anytime I do a review, I mention these are Salad Cosmo mung bean sprouts by name. So here's some pepper flake for good measure. I'm debating on a little bit of sesame seed, and it sounds like a neat idea. I think I'll do it. Pretty it up a little bit with that. A little bit of pretty. It's pretty darn nice looking already, though. And there we go. So let's get in a nice styly spot. And away we go. Oh, I don't like that. It's too... That's better. That's freaking good. That's freaking good. That's all I can say. Wow. What a change. Yeah. I'm gonna have to eat some more of this. Thank you for sending it. That's cool. Alright. And Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Wow. Have a good one. Bye.